Today I'm going to show you how to create a bingeable playlist on YouTube. You've started your adventure. Now you have a story to tell. But how? This is your show, RV Media Creators. I'm Garrett, and in this community, we will show you how. So let's show the world your story. Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to create a playlist that people can watch all of your videos on directly off your phone. So let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and open up our YouTube app. So on the bottom right hand side you have your library, and then you see your playlists. Right here you say new playlists, and I'll write my bingeable playlist, and then you can hit public, unlisted, or private. If you want to have a playlist that you can share but you don't want to be searchable or public, you can make it unlisted. And if you just want to make a playlist for yourself, set it to private, because we're wanting to set it up so that everybody could hit play and watch all your videos. We're going to hit public. We're going to hit create. You have a few options here. One, you can edit the playlist. I suggest that you put in a description, because you can search this playlist as you would a YouTube video. I'm going to say, watch all my videos right now. I'm going to update and change my title. I'm going to put in RV Media Creators, and then you can also have other people add to your playlist. It's up to you. If you're doing a collaboration, you're trying to pull a bunch of videos together, you can have other people help you. From here, I'm going to hit OK, and now you have the ability to share. You can get some of the info, and you can delete and edit again. Now that I'm done here, I'm going to move over to YouTube Studios. While on YouTube Studios, we'll go over and hit our videos. You'll see I have all my videos here. Let me click on a video, my top video. I'll hit the little pencil button to edit. And down here, you say add to playlist. My bingeable playlist, and just hit back, and it's right there. Hit save, and you've just created a playlist on your phone. Now, I haven't found a way to be able to add multiple videos on your phone, but let me show you how to do it on the desktop. Here is the desktop version of YouTube Creator Studio. Now I'll go to my video. Here you have a few more options, mainly being this little select all button. I'm going to select all. So it goes all the way down to my very first video. Now if you have multiple pages, you're going to have to do this to each page. But I have 27 selected. I'm going to hit add to playlist, my bingeable playlist, and hit save. And I've just added all of my videos, and then you go over and you can do the same thing with your live streams. If you have any videos that you don't want added in, make sure you don't select them, because unlisted videos will be listed on here. Now I'm going to go and show you on playlists. I have all 37 of my videos. When you are on the desktop version, you have the ability to sort your playlist how you would like it to be sorted. If your content is more chronological, you can have it play from oldest to newest. You can also order it as you want it to order, I believe by just grabbing the little bar here and moving it up or down. And then over here on the right hand side, you can add a queue, add to watch later, remove from my playlist, move to bottom, top, set as playlist thumbnail. And that is the basics of creating a bingeable playlist. The benefits of this are your viewers can get caught up with your adventure by watching your playlist. I've caught up on a couple playlists during this pandemic. It's really nice because a couple weeks ago I didn't know who these people were, and now I know their story. That is my quick tip for Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm Garrett, and I want to help you tell your story. Bye.